Lesson 5. The Shop. Box, box. Zipper, zipper. Quarter, quarter. Shop, shop. Children, children. Thank, thank. Reading practice. The shop. This is a box. This is a zipper. This is a quarter. This is a shop. The box is in the shop. The zipper is in the shop. The pan is in the shop. The dish is in the shop. The children get a box. The children get a zipper. The children get a pan. The children get a dish. The man sells the box for a quarter. He sells the zipper for a quarter. He sells the pan for a quarter. He sells the dish for a quarter. The children thank him for the box. They thank him for the zipper. They thank him for the pan. They thank him for the dish.